Hi everyone, welcome back to Ivan Stock Talks. And my name is Ivan, and this is another video that I posted one for about a few weeks now, like a month now. And I've been okay, thank God. I've been doing some soul searching and thinking about life. And like I said on my previous video, my life for the past 5 months has changed a lot. It's been harder and harder to make videos for some personal reasons. And if you try to make a video like I used to, no matter how many minutes you try to create a video, it takes time, dedication, and I haven't had the time to post new videos. And this one is not gonna be like edited. It's gonna be a regular video from my part to you. So I've been buying Splg like I normally do. I buy Splg, which is the S&P 500, equivalent to VOO or SPY. And there's been some market sell-off lately for the past few days. I call this a minor pullback, right? And it has been a healthy pullback. And I've been looking at SCHD lately, and the stock went to all-time high, which is great for the SCHD holders. I'm rooting for you guys, and I like the dividend increase and the share appreciation over time. But as you may know, I used to buy dividend stocks or dividend ETFs like SHD, and I stopped doing that for about, I would say, almost a year. Not quite a year yet, but a year. And I chose the S&P 500 because I want growth. I rather have the total return than just focusing on dividend increases, which is great for a person that is like in the retirement age. It's undeniable that you would like to have that income, that steady income. But as of now, I'm aiming for growth, and this is a minor pullback, I call it. Remember, a lot has been happening in the past weeks. In the past few months. Imagine in the past from a week ago, because President Biden, they tried to assassinate Trump, and now President Biden is stepping aside, giving his throne, I would say, his seat to Kamala Harris. So there's a lot of things going on, for the overall stock market, which is understandable. Like, how can the stock market keep going up when all these things are happening in the world? I think the market is kind of reflecting that at the moment. Is the future is every single day is uncertain. Imagine a future of 5 months from now or 6 months from now. And it's, we live in some crazy times, and I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you are staying strong. I hope you keep investing, and you are still investing, and stay positive in this crazy times that we live in. Going back to the stock market, I think this is a healthy pullback. It's kind of reflecting of what's going on in the real world. People are selling. A lot of people in the market, they're not investing for the long haul. Like, they're investing, buy low, sell high, and vice versa sometimes, like I have done in the past, which I buy high and sell low. But yeah, so a lot of people, believe it or not, a lot of people are in the market for a day-to-day basis, like they swing trade. And a lot of people saying, they invest for their retirement, but I think there's more. I gotta check this out. I think there's more people that are investing on a buy low and sell high. So they're selling their gains, right? And it is what it is. So I was buying when Splg was all-time high. Now it's a minor pullback, and I keep buying at a lower price. This doesn't concern me because because what's gonna happen in this world is gonna happen no matter what. What's gonna happen in this world is gonna happen no matter what. So, like I said, it's a minor pullback. This is healthy for growth stocks. There has been high expectation of growth stocks with AI and stuff like that. And talking about AI, I really think that they haven't monetized AI like they thought they would. I mean, AI is a good thing. It helps. It makes our life easier, I would say, in a lot of aspects. But they haven't really quite been able to monetize AI. Google hasn't been able to monetize AI, and I have tried to use Google AI, and I don't find it very good. I do not find Google's AI, unless I'm misusing it. I'm not using it the right way. But I really, there's it's like when you use Google AI, it's like it's been, what's the word I'm looking for? It's been like, like not open. Like you try to look for something or try to do something, and it doesn't give it to you quite well. It does not give it to you like ChatGPT. It's like it's been censored. That's the word that I was looking for. Like Google's AI is like censored AI. I don't know how to explain it. If you can get my drift. I use Copilot from Microsoft, and it still does not convince me. Not yet. So they haven't really monetized AI. Now, one company that I think that could monetize AI, it's Apple. Because the way they portray their Apple Intelligence, it's not good, it's not bad, but I think it's like tailored to the person, which is, I think that if one company could monetize AI for the near future, I think that would be Apple, in my opinion. But it's again. I'm about to shut off the video. It's a healthy pullback. It reflects what's happening in the world. Everything's very uncertain, and people are selling their gains. And I buy the overall market. I have focused on the total return, even though the S&P 500 pays a minor dividend, but it's a dividend overall. And as of now, I haven't regret, because I just don't want to buy one for now. I don't want to buy a stock because it's paying a dividend. I want to own everything. I want to own every single company out there, which is very diversifying. And even if tech takes the lead on the overall portfolio, like on the S&P 500, let's say technology is about 20%. I'm paraphrasing here. Let's say 20%, which is a big chunk of your investment into tech. If another sector, takes the lead, then the S&P 500 will reflect that sector. So I want to own every company. I want, I cannot just own, let's say, Coca-Cola, but not Pepsi. I cannot just own Apple, but not Microsoft. and like Tesla and what other company, or Amazon and not Target, or Starbucks but not Dunkin' Donut, or McDonald's but not this. You understand what I'm saying? I want to own every company, which I don't have to ever, very often, like, think about, why am I holding this company? Why do I still want this company in my portfolio? And I've seen a lot of video people like kind of looking back at the portfolio and selling off, the entire shares of that particular company. I used to do that person, and I'm telling you, by every measure, if I had just stuck into the S&P 500, I would have so much money right now, than trying to time the market or trying to select any particular, in my opinion, this is me, like, I don't do technical analysis, and I think at the end of the day, if you do a technical analysis for a particular company, somebody is gonna have to be right. I know that person that is gonna be right. It's not gonna be me, because I just don't trust a company, like a particular company. I don't trust their CEO. I don't trust, even though it's showing on paper that they're telling the truth, I just do not trust a company. So for that reason, I buy the entire market. This is another video of why I think the market is been selling off. Why there's a sell-off of the market, which is a healthy one, is reflecting the overall situation in the world. And trust me, the world is a messy place. All right, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And my channel is purely on growth, as of now, of growth stocks, and I buy the entire market. That's my investment, that's my portfolio. And I'm gonna show in my next video maybe how many shares of Splg I have. I don't own a lot, to be honest, because I had SCHD and I sold it, and I've been trying to every day buy a portion of Splg and like bringing all that money back into Splg, but I'm not doing it like in one shot. I'm doing it like every I spend $50 here, I buy $20 there, etc. And yeah, so later on I'll show you how many shares of Splg I do own, and it's not a lot, but it is something. And I'll be telling you what am I doing with this particular Splg shares. Okay, so thank you very much, and I hope to see you on the next one.